I spent my entire career working with real estate agents to build businesses that are ultimately businesses that we all dream of. The 100+ transaction business, or the business that allows you to leave work at 3 p.m. and yet nothing seems to be left undone. Or maybe it's the business that gives you 2 weeks of personal paid time off, and yet you never seem to be falling behind. Now, the ultimate secret to how we accomplish that is systems. Once identified, you can stack automations onto these, and then you can start to take manual tasks off your plate, which allow you to do much more in less time. And this secret is exactly what we're going to be diving into over the next 3 days during the Your First AI System event. At the end of it, you're going to walk away with your first AI system completely built, and you're going to get the opportunity to see how modern technology is going to allow you to do much more. We have the technology, we might as well use it. Where traditional CRMs are going to hoard data or store it, you are going to have access to a system that is going to use this data, infusing your personal voice and characteristics and how you show up for your clients when you're building a great relationship to deliver an even better world-class client experience. Now, the benefit of this is when it's set into an automation, whether you're helping one person or 100 people, the experience is the exact same and it's delivered excellently each and every time. And this is the secret of the event. So go ahead and click below, get signed up for the event, and you're going to walk away with your first AI system built. We're going to do it in 3 days, and you're going to see just how simple it is, just how much fun you're going to have. And I'm so excited to get to share these secrets with you.